place. 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 Good. Free. Trixie, place. Good. This is Trixie. She's 11 weeks old. Trixie, place. Teaching her the place command. Of course, using food. Free. Trixie, place. Place. Good girl. Free. Good. Place. Good. Good place, yes. Good place, good. And we will extend that time as she's getting more and more adjusted to this. She also is learning a trick. Tricks. Tricks. Sit. Sit. Hello. Good, hello. Good. Give me 5. Give me 5. Yeah. Good, give me 5. Good. Good. Hello. Good, hello. Good girl. Sit. Give me 5. Sit. Hello. Good. Give me 5. Good. Good. Good job. Good place. Yes. Tricks. Sit. Hello. Good. Sit. Give me 5. Give me 5. Trixie, sit. Sit. Give me 5. Good. Sit. Hello. Good. Give me 5. Good. Give me 10. Good. Say your prayers. Say your prayers. Good girl. Good. Hello. Trixie, hello. Good. Give me 5. Good. Give me 10. Good. Say your prayers. Good girl, Trixie. Good girl. Sit. Down. Good girl.